Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video, you might be checking out Uprock, and maybe you're wondering, what is this exactly, okay? So we're going to review Uprock and find out whether you can turn your internet into AI-fueled rewards, and how much money can you really make? That's a big question, right? Now, on this channel, if you've never been to my channel before, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Uprock to find out if this is a good way for you to invest some of your time to make some money, and how much really, okay? So Uprock's a pretty cool company. It's basically a crypto project, all right? And what they've done is they started as a bandwidth company. That means you go online, you download their app, and you can share your bandwidth, all right? And you share your bandwidth, your unused internet, and you'll be paid for your unused internet. So that's kind of how it started. It was very, very simple, right? Now, because it's a cryptocurrency project, the way it works is, depending on how much money you make, how many tokens you make, will also depend on how well their coin is doing. So the Uprock coin is called the UPT coin, all right? And you can actually find it on the cryptocurrency exchanges. I'll show you the value of it in a second. But it all really depends on, how much time you spend on the app and how much the UPT token is worth, okay? That's how much money you really make, all right? So let's take a look at this app so that you can understand. So initially it started as, you just share your bandwidth, but now they've added a few different things to gamify it a little bit, right? So now you can do things like take surveys, you can play games. There are different little tasks and AI projects that you can do. So for example, let's just say you're on iOS, you can see it right here. Game surveys, wallet management, speed testing, magic receipts, which is available on Android but not on iOS currently, and referrals. All right, so a few different things, okay? But all of it basically comes down to how much time you're spending on their app, because at the end of the day, even though you are doing things like speed and performance testing, or the AI data tasks, or the surveys, or the games, or the magic receipts, right? It's really about how much time you're spending online on their app, so that they can share your bandwidth. They can use your bandwidth, okay? Nothing wrong with that. There are lots of companies that have been doing this for a long time. This is not a revolutionary thing, right? They've just taken it and created sort of a crypto project. And it really depends on whether you feel that crypto projects, for example, will do well. It could do very, very well over the long term, or it might bomb. It really just depends. There are so many crypto projects that are being launched every single day. So, you have to do a bit of research yourself, find out whether this is something that you want to back. And then, it can be pretty easy to share your bandwidth, and I'll talk to you about that, in a second, right? But essentially, the earnings are calculated on, you can read all this, but it really has to do with your internet connection speed and basically how much time you spend on your phone connected to the Uprock app, right? And of course, your location, okay? So for example, if you're based in a country where they don't have as many activities and things like that, they don't, unfortunately value it as highly, then the amount of tokens that you can make, or the speed at which you make the tokens, will be lower. So for example, if you're based in the US or a big English-speaking country like Canada or the UK, then your speed will be quicker, because they've got more projects going on there. They have more use cases, right, for those countries. If you live in a smaller country in Asia, for example, like Thailand or Cambodia, for example, you may not get as quick, to make your UPTs, okay? And just to give you an idea, right, you can see it right here. I know that this is just an example, but basically this is pretty accurate, all right? So again, depending on where you are in the world, your device, your speed, things like that, what is your UPT per day rate? Okay, so in this example, this is an average 7-day rate. This is a realistic number, okay, 0.19, because I've seen examples of this as well. And essentially, this just means that it'll take you, let's just round it up to 0.2, right? To make one UPT coin, right? One UPT coin, it will take you roughly 5 days. Okay, so you do the math on that. 5 days, 24 times 5, that's like 100. Let's just round it up, okay? 125 hours, 5 days that you would have to run your app, and at the same time do all these different tasks. And by the way, as you do tasks, they will multiply it so that you can get a boost rate, right? So the reward rate is all of these things: upload speed factor, download speed factor, connection type, geo score, total active time times your boost rate. All right, so if you do different things, for example, like the AI data tasks or the surveys and the games, you will get an additional boost rate. All right, so it will help you to multiply how quickly that you earn. All right, but let's just say you don't do anything, then it would be something like this, okay? And then if you multiply your boost rate, it might be a little bit quicker, but essentially it's still going to take quite a long time to get you to 1 UPT, right? Even if it took you, like let's just say you got the boost rates up, so instead of 5 days, it took you 2.5 days to make 1 UPT, all right? Let's have a look at how much 1 UPT is worth, because again, this is a crypto project, right? So the amount of money that you earn depends on the value of the token, right? So if I go to CoinGecko, which is massive exchange, you can see that Uprock, the UPT price, this is today, all right, is worth less than 1 cent. It's actually worth half a cent, right? So let's just say that it took you 2.5 days to make 1 UPT because you've been sharing the app, you've been hanging out on it, maybe you've been playing some games and you've been taking the surveys and stuff like that. You've still made about half a cent in 2.5 days, okay? Then you have to ask yourself the question, is it really worth your time? Because this crypto project could significantly go up. I mean, you can see that, initially when it first launched at the start of the year, start of last year, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, start of last year, correct. So it was a little bit higher, but you can see over the last 1 year, it's been going down all the way pretty much, right? It's lost quite a lot of its value. That doesn't mean that it won't go up. It could go up. If these guys do a good job, if the team at Uprock does a good job, it could go back up, right? But again, it's a question mark. So at the current time of recording this, you're making roughly about half a cent for every 2.5 days of work, right? So you have to ask yourself the question, are there better ways for you to make money online? Probably, okay? Here's some other things as well. Unfortunately, there is a withdrawal fee, okay? So everything is run through the Solana network. So to work with this, you would need a Solana wallet. It's not super complicated. You can just YouTube it, right? But the problem is that for you to withdraw your money, and this changes every time, right? Previously, it was 10 UPT coins to do a withdrawal. That means that you need a minimum of 10 UPT to withdraw, and they would charge you about 5. So that means you need about, if you want 10 UPT, you withdraw your 10, they charge you 5. You're only making 5 UPT. And it took you quite a while to make that 10 UPT. Does that make sense? And 10 UPT is really not worth much. It's just half a cent right now multiplied by 10, which is super little money. It's just a couple of cents, right? And you did all this work. So then, they charge a fee. You're not really making that much money. I think that you have to decide for yourself whether you think that this is worth your time. I honestly think that there are better ways to make money online out there, all right? Even though, you could just, download this, share your bandwidth and do nothing. If you want to play some games, that's cool. You can earn a little bit extra, right? But you're not really earning that much money. Now, let's take a look at what people have said in the reviews, okay? Not many reviews, to be fair. It's only 8 reviews, and, most of them are pretty negative, right? But it's just interesting on what people have said. And this is the funny thing, okay? This right here is basically from this website, Trustpilot, okay? This is a very famous review website, and you can see the stars here. This is taken. These are the stars taken from Trustpilot, and it says 4.8 over 5, but in reality, Trustpilot is saying it's actually only 2.4, right? And most of them are, pretty negative, okay? Even though there haven't been that many reviews, right? So this one says, total waste of time, don't damage your devices and get scammed at the end, all right? It says, Upwork now requires you to have at least 255 UPT in the balance to withdraw. That's crazy, and the charge is 55 UPT. That's going to take a long time, right? This one says, stay away from this crypto. This one says, 0 out of 5. You can literally fart out more money. Okay, so, it hasn't had the best reviews, even though it's only 8 reviews. It's not much, right? So it's not super fair. But just to sort of get an idea of, what some people are saying about the company, it doesn't seem like a super great project. So, I mean, you can check it out if you want, I think that, look, if you want to just fill up some surveys, play some games for fun, it might be pretty cool. But if you're here to make money, I think that Uprock is probably not the strategy for you to invest your time in to make a lot of money, because as you can see, they don't pay out that much, and the price of UPT tokens right now is pretty low. It's only half a cent, which is really, really low, and it's going to take you a long time. Even if you wanted to make $100 from this, it would take you, it would take you years, months and months and months and months, if not years. It would take a really long time. So that's my review of Uprock. All right. If you're here right now watching this video, maybe you're looking for a way to generate more income. On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of different strategies to make money online. I've seen the good and bad and the ugly, but out of the ones that I've tested, I put my own money into, there was one that changed my life. I made multiple six figures from it. If you want to check it out, I show you how to do it for free. I've got a free masterclass. Just click the link right below this video to get access to that masterclass, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.